my video of how God healed me through TB Joshua is there. So because of my healing, and then because of how great TB Joshua is to all in Africa and the whole world, I decided to fly down yesterday night and to tell the world and Nigerian that TB Joshua is doing a good job. I was healed from HIV. I got 3 kids now, healed and healthy. I think it was the right thing for me to do, to show my faith and to show my love to TB Joshua and people of Nigeria.
Were you expecting
Of course, it will be madness for me to be expecting him here. Why? Was anybody taken to the court when the World Trade Center fell down in America? Was anybody taken to the court when Iraq was bombed? Was anybody taken to the court? Why must he take it to the court? He's not supposed to be in the court. He has people around him, and those people, they have been representing him very well. I was inside the court now. I see the guy who is giving a report, who is raising a case. The Lasama people, they're just lying there. So it's painful. That's why I just moved out of the court and fly back to South Africa. So I'm not expecting him here, and I thank God he was not here, because having him here can cause chaos. Because many people love the program around the world. You can imagine about 100 people want to follow me down from South Africa, and I said to them, no, it will be like a chaos. We don't want trouble. TB Joshua is a peaceful man. He has been doing a lot of good job around Africa, helping the poor people, healing HIV, cancer, helping the less privileged. Tell me what ministry in Africa that is helping doing what TB Joshua is doing. No ministry in South Africa, in Africa. No ministry in Africa America that doing what TB Joshua is doing. His friend are the less privileged, are the poor people, are the handicapped people. His friend are the people who have no help. Myself, I was healed from HIV. Today I'm a pastor. I have my own ministry. TB Joshua set up ministry all over the whole world, helping people. So that is the reason why I believe there's no need for TB Joshua to be here. And thank God it's not here. God bless you. Thank you. We, South African government, are the people of the South Africa. So South African government has spoken to South Africa, and people of South Africa love TB Joshua. Since the government have no say on its own. The government is the government of the people, and the people support and love TB Joshua. I have visited almost all the families that are affected in South Africa, and they all love TB Joshua. So this all trial and whatever is just wasting of time. We know that the plane that moved that place about 3 times or 4 times is the cause of this thing. And I know the intelligence of South Africa and America and all Nigeria intelligence are enough to handle the situation, and I know everything will come to light as soon as possible. Thank you very much. I don't want to lose my flight. If you want to contact me, you can call my number in South Africa 083-682-991. And my other number is 078-7575-506. My email address is apostlepaulakas@gmail.com. God bless you all.
So your name is Paul.
My full name is Apostle Paul Akaribo. God bless you.
Sorry, your name again, sir? Your name?
My name is Apostle Paul. Thank you. God bless you.
Paul